Hi all, I am Parkavi. I am qualified for JRF. My score is 190 with 99.84 percentile. First of all, I thank Priyanka ma'am and Tulasi ma'am for guiding me. I thank Almighty God for giving this great opportunity in my life. I completed my PG in 2019. I started preparing for UGC NET exam in 2024. In first attempt, December 2024, I cleared only NET assistant professor with 94.87 percentile. That time I prepared only 5 to 6 minutes, which is very well known to me. During that time, Priyanka ma'am conducted a success meet in Zoom app. She told me, Parkavi, next is your chance. Don't lose your hope. Try again for JRF. So I tried again and gave my second attempt. That time also I cleared only NET assistant professor with 98.87 percentile. I missed my JRF by 10 marks. But this time I improved a lot because my percentile became more higher by comparing before exams. Most of the concepts I prepared thoroughly in paper 2, but my score where goes down in paper 1. So I think a lot where I did a mistake and I lost my chance of getting JRF. I tried again and give my third attempt also. My husband encouraged me to do one more time. Priyanka ma'am also told that until getting JRF, don't give up. I also felt that I am nearing to the victory. So I go ahead for one more chance. But by putting little extra effort, this time I clear JRF. I watched all the videos regularly in Unified Study Hub. I unable to attend the live classes because I have a kid. So I watched only the recorded videos regularly. I had prepared my handwritten notes already for both paper 1 and paper 2. For further preparations, I put extra topic notes. For PYQs preparations, I put separate PYQs preparation note also. Whenever I learn a new topic, immediately I make a note on it. Mostly I make a note in a crisp way, which is easy for me to recall all the topics by seeing the keywords itself. Keyword is very important while making a notes. My exam preparation strategy was, in last 2.5 months, I read PDF line by line. During that time, I prepared concepts very clearly with a deep understanding. Conceptual understanding is very important. I allotted 3 days per unit for paper 2 and 1 day for paper 1. Last 1 month, I had prepared PYQs and watched the PYQs classes regularly. During last 15 days, I started recalling all the topics which I read before and concentrate more on frequently asked topics. Meanwhile, I did mock test as much as possible for managing the time in the exam hall. Last 30 days, I did 1 DI daily. Meanwhile, I watched 1 MR videos daily from Unified Study App, Unified Study YouTube channel, Let's Crack Net YouTube channels, and did the MR problems regularly. Mostly I watched all the videos, that is the old videos and the new videos from the sources, which makes me to understand the concepts more conceptually. Paper 1 content or the best content which is given by Tulasi ma'am. It helps me to increase my score. I blindly followed her content. Priyanka ma'am made me to learn CS with conceptual understanding. Thank you so much Priyanka ma'am and Tulasi ma'am. Even I watched her 5 years back videos in YouTube. Mostly first 3 months I spend more time on watching videos. Conceptual classes helps to understand the content more conceptually. Without that we cannot able to crack the exam. Both Priyanka ma'am and Tulasi ma'ams are rocking in PYQ sessions, which pays more attention in preparation strategy. For choosing correct options by doing elimination method, conceptual understanding is very important. This time all my preparation strategies goes well, but unfortunately my mother-in-law met an accident and she operated before day of exam. My husband take care of her. I prepared the exams with self-confidence and I also thought this is the last chance for me to do. I felt this struggles indicates me that I am going to achieve success this time definitely. Priyanka ma'am and Tulasi ma'am are great motivators. I am preparing with them for my exam, so which give me more confidence to achieve success. Universe showed me the right path and right time by joining in our Unified Study family. This time I felt that exam was little bit easy and also I managed the time very well in the exam hall. I finished my exam 10 minutes earlier. Your content, preparation strategy, PYQ sessions all are rocking in the learners' lives with the success ma'am. Self-confidence, self-motivations, hard work leads to the success in our life. So try until we get succeed. One day we will rock it. My father want to see me as a professor in college, which was a dream for him. 5 years back he was passed away. But today I fulfill his dream with one step ahead. Thank you for him who is blessing me always from the heaven. Thank you Priyanka ma'am and Tulasi ma'am. Great salute for both of you ma'am.